Okay guys, I'm back and today we're gonna test this foam gun and let's see how this one works. Alright, let's test this one out. Let's do it. Alright, this is the product, so let's open it and see how it looks. Alright. Alright guys, this is a car foam gun. The quality looks pretty good. You can see here, this is metal, copper I think, and this one too. Okay, so it comes with a spray nozzle. This one you can connect it, remove it, put it on and remove it. Has this one. This one is for pressure washer. You have a pressure washer, you can put it like this here and connect it to a pressure washer. Okay, and it has adjustment right here. You can adjust how much do you want the soap to mix with the water. Okay, the higher the letter, the more soap it will mix with the water. So I think A is less soap until you go to the E is more soap. All right, A more soap, A less soap, the E more soap. It will mix with more soap. This one you can change it here instead of this one here, right? But I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, it looks pretty good, the quality. This is plastic, but the connection is a metal. That's very good. All right, so let's test this thing. Let's see how good it is. Let's do it. So let's see how this one works, how good it is. I'm gonna test it with this. Alright guys, this is the soap I have today. I'm gonna test it with this one. This is McGuire's Wash and Wax. I wish I have something that makes more foam, but this one is the one I'm gonna use today. So let's see how this one works. Alright. Here it has a line. This one, it means you have to put the soap all the way to this line. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. All right. Now the hose is open. The good thing is we don't have no leaks. All right. No leaks at all on the hose. All right, now it has a second line. It means the water has to go, the water with the soap has to reach this line. All right, so I got it right there. Alright, now my car is very nice and clean. Very shiny and clean, you can see it there. But now I'm gonna give my opinion about the foam gun. Alright, I'm gonna say the pros and cons about this foam gun. Alright guys, these are the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros first. The first one is the quality. It's very good quality. It has metal on the connection. It has metal like a copper, I think, and that's good because when you connect this like a couple of times by the years pass by, those tends to wear out, but I think with metal it will last longer. The second one is you don't need a pressure washer, so without a pressure washer you don't need to spend a lot of money. I think this one is around $40 and I think it's good. $40 and without pressure washer, I think that is very good. And the third one, you don't need to carry the bucket with the soap all the way around the car. With this one you spray the foam with the area you want to use the meat to clean it, and then you just do it and that's it. Alright. Alright, so the next one is that this is very easy to use. You don't need to be a professional to use this. You just put the soap, water, that's it, connect it to the hose and use it. Very easy. Alright, now let's say the cons. I don't have too many cons about this one. The only one, I have only two. Alright, the first one is the pressure. It's very low, but because it's not a pressure washer. So the pressure with the soap is a little bit low, but I think for me it's fine. It's not that bad. Alright, and the second one is you're gonna consume more soap using a foam gun. If you use the bucket, you just need a little bit of soap and you will wash the whole car. But with a foam gun, you're gonna consume more soap, so it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. Alright, those are the pros and cons. So let me know what you guys think about this one. I like it a lot. It's amazing. For me it's very good because the price is $40. With those $40 I just have a foam gun. Alright, the link is gonna be on the description of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, put it in the comments if you like more like the foam gun or the foam cannon with the pressure washer. Put it in the comments. Alright, if you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. I have more LEDs for the underglow LEDs coming on the next video. So hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. See you on the next video.